Divas and Gents. Welcome to my channel, Diva in the Apron. This is your girl Kayla, and today I will be showing you guys how to make banana pudding. Now this is not just any old banana pudding, y'all. This is not your mama's banana pudding. So those of you who know, then you know. And if you don't, well, you're gonna learn today. So let's get into these ingredients. So the ingredients are 2 cups of cold milk, 1 pack of French vanilla instant pudding, 3 bags of Chessmen cookies, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 pack of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, Cool Whip, and 4 bananas. All right, guys, so now that we have the ingredients, we're about to get started. This banana pudding is gonna be so yummy, guys. Some delicious buttery Chessmen cookies. Let's do this. Okay, guys, so the first thing that you want to do is pour your pack of pudding in the bowl, combine with 2 cups of milk, and whisk until it thickens. Soon as you feel it thickening, add your 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So once your pudding has thickened up and it looks just like this, go ahead and add in the Cool Whip. So once your Cool Whip is mixed in very well, it will have a very fluffy texture. Now set it aside and grab another bowl so we can go ahead and mix in the cream cheese and the condensed milk. Now it's time to use those muscles. Breaking up this cream cheese is no joke, y'all, but if you have a mixer, you can use one, so don't worry. But if not, then you're gonna be using those muscles, but it's not that bad, guys, I promise you. When your mixture is nice and smooth and it looks like this, you're good to go. You might still see some smaller lumps from the cream cheese, but that's okay. So now you want to pour your cream cheese and condensed milk mixture into the pudding and the Cool Whip mixture. Mix it in very well. All right, so once you have this mixed up very well, you want to set it aside because now it's time to start slicing your bananas. Now, since bananas brown so quick, I don't slice them all at once, so I'm only doing 2 for now. So now it's time to layer. We getting there, y'all. We almost done. So first you want to pour in your pudding, then add your cookies, and then your bananas, and repeat. And I'm warning y'all, once you make this recipe, you might not even want to go back to the original banana pudding recipe. You guys can also add strawberries in along with the bananas with this recipe. It actually gives it like a little kick. It kind of reminds you of like a strawberry shortcake, but it tastes really good and it's delicious. All right, on to the second layer. And remember, pudding, cookies, then bananas. So now it's time to slice up the rest of the bananas. And how about y'all? One of my bananas was bad, so I will be using 3 bananas instead of 4. And that's exactly why sometimes I just prefer to get more than what I need just in case, because you never know. Now it's time to line your pan with cookies. This is optional, but if you love Chessmen cookies the way I do, then you will definitely do the same thing. Okay guys, so this is the last layer. Now you just want to top with cookies. So once you're done placing your cookies on top, you want to let the banana pudding sit in the refrigerator for about 4 through 5 hours. The longer, the better. All right guys, so this is it. Look how yummy that looked. Okay, divas and gents, so this is the final result. I went ahead and let the banana pudding sit in the refrigerator for about 4 hours. And for me, the longer the better, because I love when my pudding gets nice and cold and it stiffens up. And I love when my cookies are crunchy yet a little soft. So I'm ready to dig in. So let's see how it came out. Okay guys, for the finale. I just love this banana pudding, guys. It's so rich and creamy, and those Chessmen cookies just pop. Like, they're so rich and buttery. This is amazing, guys. It's always a hit, never fail. And it's the flavor of, you can taste the cream cheese and that condensed milk. Bomb, guys. Another bomb recipe, I told y'all. All right, guys, so there you have it. Another bomb recipe. So make sure you guys don't miss out. So subscribe to my channel. You guys can also give me a thumbs up if you tried this recipe, or you can leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think about it. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.